Today we see another examples on application of derivatives, that is the approximations. In last video we see examples on finding approximate value of x cube, x square or root x. In this video we see how to find approximate value of sine, cos, inverse, also log, exponential and etc. Then our first example is find approximate value of sine 30 degree and 30 minute given 1 degree is equal to 0.175 रेडियन. हे सी म्हणजे रेडियन. इथे 1 डिग्रीची व्हॅल्यू दिली आहे आणि आपल्याला फाइंड करायचे साइन 30 डिग्री अँड 30 मिनिट. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट लेट एफ ऑफ एक्स दॅट इज इक्वल टू साइन एक्स, कारण आपल्याला साइनची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची. देन एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स दॅट इज इक्वल टू डेरिवेटिव्ह ऑफ साइन एक्स कॉस एक्स. Now what is the number that we have to find? We consider as a plus h is equal to 30 degree and 30 minute. First of all we convert that 30 minute in 30 in degree, that is 30 degree plus 30 minute. आता आधी ह्या 30 मिनिटला आपण डिग्री मध्ये कन्सिडर करू. 30 डिग्री प्लस 30 मिनिट दॅट इज 30 अपॉन 60 डिग्री. कोणत्याही मिनिटला डिग्रीमध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं असेल तर 60ने डिवाइड करायचा. दॅट इज इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री प्लस 1 अपॉन 3/6 दॅट इज 1/2. 0 गेट कॅन्सल. 1/2 डिग्री. आता ह्या पूर्ण टर्मला आपल्याला रॅडियनमध्ये लिहायचं आहे, कारण आपल्याला 1 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू रॅडियनचा आन्सर दिला आहे, म्हणजेच आपल्याला फायनल आन्सर रॅडियनमध्ये कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे. दॅट इज इक्वल टू 30 इज π/6 radian and plus 1 degree is 0.0175 divided by 2 radian is equal to π/6 as it is plus 0.0175 divided by 2 is 0.00875. Now this is considered as a plus h, means the value of a we get π/6 and the value of h we get 0.00875. Now we put this value of a in equation 1 and in equation 2, that is f of a means f of π/6 that is sin π/6, and the value of sin π/6 sin 30 is equal to 1/2 that is 0.5. In the similar way, the f dash of a that is cos π/6 and the value of cos π/6 is √3/2. Again there is a given in the question 1 degree is equal to 0.0175 and cos 30 degree is equal to 0.866. ही पण व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला क्वेश्चन मध्ये दिलेली आहे. दॅट मीन्स इन प्लेस ऑफ √3/2 वी हॅव टू राईट 0.866. आफ्टर फाइंडिंग √3/2 we get the value 0.866. Now we write the formula for approximation. f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. The value of f of a is 0.5. The value of h is 0.00875 and f dash of a is 0.866. that is equal to 0.5 plus. आता या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचं आपल्याला, and that multiplication is 0.0757775 and the addition is 0.575775, means the value of sin 30 degree and 30 minute is 0.575775. Our next example is find approximate value of cos 60 degree and 30 minute given 1 degree is equal to 0.0175 and √3 is equal to 1.732. आता इथे आपल्याला 1 डिग्री आणि √3 ची व्हॅल्यू दिली आहे आणि आपल्याला cos ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची सिमिलर ॲज अ साइन. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कन्सिडर given f of x equal to cos 60 degree and 30 minute. In place of 60 degree and 30 minute we write cos x. Now we differentiate it. f dash of x that is equal to minus sin x. x घेतला तरच डेरिव्हेटिव्ह करता येईल, म्हणून त्या कॉन्स्टंट टर्मला आपल्याला x कन्सिडर करायचा. Now that constant term consider as a plus h, that is 60 degree and 30 minute. 60 degree plus 30 minute. 60 degree plus 1 by 2 degree. 60 degree in radian is pi by 3 plus 1 by 2. 1 is given 0.0175 divided by 2 radian is equal to pi by 3 plus 0.0175 divided by 2 is equal to 0.00875. Now we consider a is equal to pi by 3 and h equal to 0.00875. आता आपल्याला ही a ची व्हॅल्यू घेऊन f of x आणि f dash of x ची व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करायची. दॅट मीन्स वी गेट हियर f of a cos a means pi by 3 and value of cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2 means 0.5. Similarly, f dash of a that is minus sin pi by 3 is equal to pi by 3 म्हणजे 60 आणि sin 60 ची व्हॅल्यू आहे √3/2. But in the question there is a given the value of √3 is 1.732. In place of we write 1.732 divided by 2. After dividing 2 we get minus 0.866. Now write the formula for approximation. F of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. f of a ची व्हॅल्यू 0.5 plus h ची व्हॅल्यू 0.00875 and f dash of a is minus 0.866 is equal to 0.5. Here plus minus minus and the multiplication of that two number is 0.0075775. Taking subtraction, after subtraction we get 0.4924225 and that is value of cos 60 degree and 30 minute. Example is find approximate value of tan 45 degree and 40 minute given 1 degree is equal to 0.0175 radian. जसं साइन कॉस चा केला तसाच सेम हा आपल्याला सॉल्व करायचा आहे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट लेट f of x equal to tan x. Then derivative of f of x is sec square x. That we write equation 1 and 2. Then let the given number as a plus h is equal to 45 degree and 40 minute. Then 45 degree plus 40 minute write as 40 upon 60 degree. That is equal to 45 degree plus 2 by 3 radian. 2 by 3 degree. आता याला radian मध्ये करू. 45 is pi by 4 plus 2 by 3 into radian ला आपल्याला 1 degree ला ही टर्म असेल तर 2 by 3 ला ह्याला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं 0.0175. That is equal to pi by 4 plus multiply 2 to the 0.017 we get 0.0350 divided by 3. After dividing 3 pi by 4 plus 0.01166 means here we get the value of a as a pi by 4 and the value of h as 0.01166. Now after getting a and h, now we write f of a means f of pi by 4 that is equal to tan pi by 4 and the value of tan pi by 4 is 1. In the same way f dash of a that is f dash of pi by 4 is equal to sec square pi by 4 and the value of sec pi by 4 is √2 and square of that means 2. Then write the formula for approximation that is f of a plus h is equal to approximately equal to लिहायचे प्रत्येक वेळी आपल्याला f of a plus h f dash of a. the value of f of a is 1 plus h is 0.01166 and f dash of a is 2 is equal to 1 plus 0.1166 is 0.02332. Means our answer is 1.02332, that is the value of tan 45 degree 40 minute. Next example is find approximate value of tan inverse 0.99 given that pi is equal to 3.1416. मग आता इथे आपल्याला tan inverse ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची आहे. देन वी कन्सिडर f of x is equal to tan inverse x. Then f dash of x equal to the derivative of tan inverse is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Equation 1 and 2. Whatever the number we consider as a plus h is equal to 0.99. आता या 0.99 ला आपल्याला स्प्लिट करायचं आहे ॲज 1 मायनस 0.01. ही h ची व्हॅल्यू खूप छोटी आली पाहिजे म्हणून आपल्याला मायनस घ्यावं लागेल. Therefore a is equal to 1 and h is equal to minus 0.01. Now we calculate f of a by putting this value of a in equation 1 means f of 1 that is tan inverse 1. आता इन्व्हर्स आहे म्हणजे आपल्याला उलटी व्हॅल्यू घ्यायची आहे. टॅनच्या कोणत्या अँगलची व्हॅल्यू 1 आहे ते बघून आपल्याला अँगलची व्हॅल्यू लिहायची आहे अँड दॅट इज पाय बाय 4. देन f dash of a is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1 square. 1 upon 2 means 0.5. Now we write formula for approximation, that is f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. The value of f of a is pi by 4 plus h is minus 0.01 and f dash of a is 0.5. But here given the value of pi is approximately 3.1416 divided by 4. Plus minus minus 0.01 into 0.5 is 0.005. Divide by 4, that we get 0.7854 minus 0.005 and the subtraction is 0.7804 and this is value of tan inverse 0.99. Next is find approximate value of e raised to 1.005 given e is equal to 2.7183. आता इथे e रेस टू ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची आहे म्हणजेच आपल्याला कन्सिडर करावं लागेल f of x is equal to e रेस टू x. फंक्शन घ्यावं लागतं इथे म्हणून x घ्यायचा and f dash of x is equal to again e raised to x. e raised to x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह e raised to x. Now the number as a plus h is equal to 1.005, that is 1 plus 0.005 म्हणजेच a ची व्हॅल्यू 1 and value of h is 0.005. Now we calculate f of a, that is f of 1 means e raised to 1. E raised to 1 is e and the value of e is given in the question 2.7183. In the same way f dash of a, that is again f dash of 1, ती पण व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला e raised to 1 म्हणजे e, that is 2.7183 मिळेल. Then we write formula for approximation, that is f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. The value of f of a is 2.7183. The value of h is 0.005 and the value of f dash of a is 2.7183 is equal to, now multiply 0.005 into 2.7183, we get plus 0.0135915 and the addition is 7318915. That is the approximate value of e raised to 1.005. The next example is find approximate value of 3 raised to 2.01 given that log 3 is equal to 1.0986. आता इथे 3 च्या पॉवरला टर्म आहे, म्हणजेच आपल्याला कन्सिडर करावं लागेल f of x is equal to 3 raised to x. Now we differentiate it with respect to x. The value of f of x is f dash of x is equal to, आता इथे 3 raised to x म्हणजे a raised to x चा फॉर्म्युला 3 raised to x into log 3. That is equation 2 suppose. Now the number a plus h is equal to 2.01 means 2 plus 0.01. That means here we get a equal to 2 and h equal to 0.01. आता ही a ची व्हॅल्यू घेऊन आपण f of a आणि f dash of a फाइंड करू. Therefore f of a is equal to 3 raised to a, that is 3 raised to 2 and is equal to 9. F dash of a is equal to 3 raised to a log 3. A is the square 2, 3 square is 9 and the value of log 3 is 1.0986. After multiplication we get 9.8874. Now we write the formula for approximation. F of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h f dash of a. The value of f of a is 9 plus the value of h is 0.01 and the value of f dash of a is 9.8874. 9 plus the multiplication of 0.1 and 9.8874 is, and the multiplication is 0.098874, and therefore the addition is 9.098874. That is the value of 3 raised to 2.01.